Extra Genie. Nee, nicht am Handy. Krieg mal hier hin, an der Kaffeemaschine. Hello. So I decided to change his style because I did not really like the very girly pastel style, and I have this wig that matches his face up perfectly, but I don't want him to have long hair. So I decided I'm just going to cut it. Oh my god, I'm nervous. It's a very high quality Volks wig. It's synthetic mohair, so it's very soft. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. But I need this to work out because this color is just literally so perfect. I love it on him, and yeah, you can see me in the mirror. Hello. But yeah, I won't do it on camera because that makes me just too nervous. So you will see the before and then the after if I don't mess it up. So yeah, we will see. I might also change his top a little bit later because oh, now it's focusing. I don't know, I have a few more items I want to try on him. Yeah, but that's his style right now. I love it. It's so cute. Oh my god, it happened. I will quickly clean up and then show the result. I think it's okay. I'm not a professional, so I'm not really good at cutting hair, but I really like it, so yeah. Time for the reveal. Okay, this is how he looks so far. Oh my god, sorry. I really like it. Yeah, I mean, it's not perfect, but I think I still did a good job. I might cut the other side a little bit more like this one. It was really hard to see if it was even or not. It's obviously not that even, but I still can adjust it. And yeah, the back looks like this. Also not perfect, obviously, but that's fine. Yay, I didn't mess it up. I'm so happy. But yay, that is my little boy Ashley. Say hello. It's Dean's half brother. Yeah, I changed the gender of Dean's sibling when I first decided to give a half sibling to Dean, basically like in 2000, I don't know when it was, 12, 13. Ashley was a boy and he was wearing fairy key and he looked very girly, and then I decided to change the gender into a girl. And now with my comeback of the Clubbers season 2, my story, but the second part, I kind of didn't feel it. I had, I think 2 or just 1, wait, 2 female dolls for Ashley, but I don't know, I didn't feel it. I don't know, I still love the fairy key style, but I don't know, for some reason I could not really bond. And now that I have him, I decided, because the face is so moody, Ashley is always very moody. I love it. I decided to just make him a boy again, but I did a dress-up video of this doll in Ashley's clothes and the pastel fairy gay stuff, and he looked cute, but I don't know, it was just not, it's not a vibe for me anymore. So the way he is right now, yeah, that's him. Oh my god, I love him so much. He's perfect. So yay for that. That's a success, I would say. I'm really excited now to develop this character. His role is not that big in season 2, but yeah, he's Josh's best friend still, and yeah. Oh my god. Yay!